The Z-Man Jackhammer Chatterbait was officially released on March 24, 2017 at the Bassmaster Classic Outdoors Expo in Houston, Texas as a collaboration with Japanese lure maker Evergreen and Elite Series pros Brett Hite and Morizo Shimizu. The Z-Man Chatterbait Jackhammer is one of the most refined vibrating jigs to ever hit the US market, featuring an exclusive low center of gravity head with a flat bottom and a super thin yet super strong stainless steel blade. This combination ensures the Jackhammer starts vibrating quickly and also allows it to hunt side to side like a real bait fish. Premium hand-tied silicone rubber skirts in a range of immaculate colors provide additional lifelike action, and a Gamakatsu heavy wire hook ensures an ultra-high hookup ratio. A double wire bait keeper holds your soft plastic trailers securely in place as well. The Z-Man Chatterbait Jackhammer is responsible for more tour-level tournament wins than any other vibrating jig on the market, so go jack a bass with the Jackhammer. The Z-Man Evergreen Jackhammer is available in 28 jaw-jacking colors. The most popular colors are Golden Shiner, Bites Delight, Morning Dawn, Green Pumpkin Shad, White, Green Pumpkin, Dirty White. At Tackle Warehouse, they have some extra exclusive colors found nowhere else: Bama Bug, Ghost Green Gizzard Shad, Sprayed Grass, Spring Craw, Black Blue, Green Pumpkin Watermelon. Available in 4 sizes: 3/8 ounce, 1/2 ounce, 3/4 ounce, and 1 1/4 ounce. Price ranges from $19.99 to $21.99. They are available at Tackle Warehouse, OMNIA Bass Pro Shops, and other fine retailers.